Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for an Unbound Content AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to sign up for an Unbound Content AI account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address unboundcontent.ai and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Unbound Content AI over here. And guys, in order to sign up for an Unbound Content AI, you can see the get started button available at the bottom left as well as the top right corner of the screen. You can click on either of these buttons to go to the registration process of the Unbound Content AI. Over here guys, you can see this is the registration, and now let's go further with it. Over here guys, you can see the two buttons where it says the sign up with Google and continue with email. If you click on the sign up with Google guys, you will be able to create an account with the Google, or a login page to your Google account will open. And if you log into your Google account, you will have registered for an Unbound Content AI with your Google account. And with that being said guys, we will be doing a manual sign up for an Unbound Content AI. So to do that, let's click on the continue with email button, and this kind of panel will open where we'll be required to enter our email address with which we want to register an account on the Unbound Content AI. And after entering your email address guys, you can see there is the send email link button available. Simply click on that button where you see the send email link, and a link will be sent to you by the Unbound Content AI on this email address. And if after you receive that email, click on that link, and your verification process will be over, and your data also will be extracted, like your credentials and your birth, the date of birth will be extracted from your email by the Unbound Content AI. And you will also be able to register and pass a password after you click or verify that link. And with that being said guys, this is how you sign up for an Unbound Content AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.